Imagine two products placed side by side. One is priced at $100, the other at $99. Logically, the difference is just $1, but to most people, $99 feels significantly cheaper. That small change can dramatically increase sales. This is the power of pricing psychology. The way pricing influences how customers perceive value, not just how much they pay. Pricing is not just about covering costs or maximizing profit. It is also a communication tool. The price of a product sends a signal about its quality, exclusivity, and value. For example, luxury brands like Rolex or Louis Vuitton use high prices to create a perception of prestige and exclusivity. On the other hand, companies like Walmart focus on low pricing to attract value-conscious customers. In both cases, price shapes how customers think about the product. One of the most common techniques in pricing psychology is charm pricing, where prices are set just below a round number, such as $99.99 instead of $10. This works because customers tend to focus more on the left digit, making the product feel cheaper than it actually is. Even though the difference is small, the perception can significantly impact buying decisions. Another powerful concept is anchoring. When customers see a higher-priced option first, it makes the next option seem more affordable. For example, if a product is originally shown as $200 and then discounted to $120, customers perceive it as a great deal, even if $120 was the intended price all along. This strategy is widely used in retail and e-commerce. Decoy pricing is another interesting technique. Companies introduce a third option that is less attractive to push customers toward a preferred choice. For instance, a subscription plan might offer three options: basic, standard, and premium. The standard plan is often designed to appear as the best value, encouraging most customers to choose it. Subscription-based companies like Spotify and Netflix use pricing psychology effectively through freemium models. They offer basic services for free while charging for premium features. This reduces the barrier to entry and allows users to experience the product before committing to a paid plan. Pricing psychology works because customers don't always make purely rational decisions. Their choices are influenced by perception, comparison, and context. Businesses that understand these principles can design pricing strategies that make their products more appealing without changing the product itself. The key lesson is that price is not just a number, it is part of the overall marketing strategy. When used effectively, pricing can influence perception, increase conversions, and shape how customers value a product. This is the Learning Studio. And in the next episode, we will explore how artificial intelligence is transforming marketing and redefining how businesses connect with customers.